Oh, it's a green one, it's a green one.
Oh, it's a green.
Oh, here it comes. Oh my god.
Balls up, balls.
Here it goes, it's a green. Everyone, hurry, it's a green. Look at that guy, it's a green. Oh, wait. Chase it.
Oh, there's little cute windows so excited.
Get to the front so you can see his car. Wait, I'm gonna get thumbnail here. There you go, thumbnail. Boom. Okay. You see the diesel spoons?
Yeah.
Oh, I love this type train. It's a 2900. Remember that? See the number? Yeah. It is actually. It is the one we saw in Wexford. This one, Josh, should I say? Yeah, this is the one. This is the one we saw in Wexford, yeah. If you check my video, it would be the same number, imagine. Looking out the window. Looking out the window.